I'm going to show you 10 tips and tricks that are going to massively improve the way you use your iPhone. Make sure you stick around to the end and let me know in the comments if there's at least one that you didn't know. Let's go. For the first one, if you head over to the clock app, select stopwatch, and you can start a stopwatch as per normal, but not a lot of people know if you swipe to the left, you've actually got a retro looking watch which also displays the stopwatch, and you can set laps and everything else as you can with the digital version. Next one is for your maps. Now a lot of people will pinch the screen and zoom in and out like that, but did you know if you double tap the screen and hold it down, you can actually swipe up and down to zoom in or out. For the next one, if you head over to your spotlight search, type in a number followed by a measurement, it will actually do a quick conversion for you, and that is pretty cool. The next one, go to settings, accessibility, touch, swipe all the way down and select back tap. Not a lot of people know that the back of your iPhone can actually act as a button. You can go in and customize exactly what you want the double tap or the triple tap to do. For example, here I've set mine for double tap to your camera, and you can see I'm testing it out here. Works perfectly. You can do things like put your torch on and things like that. For mine, I've set my triple tap to go home. As you can see, it works perfectly. For the next one, go to settings, accessibility, scroll all the way down and select guided access. Make sure you've set a passcode or your Face ID, and what this will allow you to do is lock someone in an application by pressing the side button 3 times, and this is great for kids, so they can do whatever they want within an app, but they can't get out the app without a Face ID or a passcode. Now if you wanted to exit guided mode, you just literally triple tap the side. If you've got a passcode, you'll need to put it in, but it will recognize your face as well. Next one, this is one of my favorite shortcuts on an iPhone. Instead of using the magnifier, you can literally hold down on the space bar and it takes you to the correct place. It's very precise and exact, and you can make your corrections when you're messaging. Next, if you point your camera to any text like a book or a letter, you'll have this little icon that appears here on the bottom right. If you press that, it will extract the text from the book, and it will just treat it as text. You can then copy it and paste it in a messaging app. Pretty cool. The next one's a really handy feature. So most people, if they want to move one application from one screen to another in their home screen, they would do it like that: press and hold, move one and then come back. But you can actually press and hold on one and then tap other applications and move as many applications as you want to different screens all together at one time. This is just a really handy feature and saves you a lot of time. Last but not least, if you tap and hold on the home screen, select the 3 dots at the bottom, this will open this screen. You can then hide separate screens and basically they won't appear, and you can also rearrange different screens at the same time instead of having to do that one app or multiple apps at a time. Again, this is really handy, it saves a lot of time. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.